All right, so some time ago at an event we were working, pretty slick out there. That was one of many times that I have slipped on that ramp, and that only happens when it's raining or we've got like a lot of maybe condensation on the ground. I track it onto the ramp. All right, so what I decided to do was paint the ramp, but I'm actually using a grit type of paint. Now, as you can tell, this right here was the original, if you will, the color and the hue that was on it, because it was just basically, it's a plywood. It was pressure treated plywood, but applying the grit paint to it has made a big difference. And this grit paint has like sand in it, which I think some people have sort of added sand to their paint, but I wanted something that wasn't exactly sand, because I think this stuff here is a lot more coarse than like a regular sand would be. And when I painted it, I actually covered the screw holes with some tape, and I'm probably just going to leave that tape on there. And this is just in case that if I have to ever pull this plywood up, screws that are on it are easily identifiable. So all I've got to do is pop off the tape and expose the screw head. All right, and what I did do is the flap. Also, that can get pretty slick as well. And this is noticeably better. All right, and one thing I'm going to be working on here to sort of try to finish this off is I'm going to run some safety tape down the sides here. Down the sides and across the front there of the lip. And this may seem like overkill, but during the shows when we use the trailer, I do find myself not focusing, I'm not sure how to say this, but not focusing too much on where I am on the ramp. And I have stepped off on the side unintentionally. I've thought that I've cleared the ramp and have stepped off. So what I'm going to do is just put this tape down the side to better identify where the edge of the ramp is. Sometimes the color of the ramp, the original color of the ramp, the wood, original color of the ramp sort of blended in with the ground sometimes, and that sort of added, I'm not going to say confusion, but it sort of caused me to lose my attention as to where I was on the ramp. As I said before, this may seem like an overkill on safety, but it's not just for me, but it's also for the other guys that work with me on the shows. All right, so over the years of using this, I never really noticed it. I was just putting this the tape on down here, but right around here and right around here, the wood has sort of been compressed. And that's when rolling things up and onto the ramp is actually pushed the, it's actually compressed the edge of the wood here. Because I don't want to have to try to rebuild the edge of the wood here just to support tape on it. That's not going to happen. So I think that's going to be about it. Okay, this is all I really needed to do on it, just to sort of finish it off. So I probably should have done this a long time ago. That slip that I did on the trailer, that was the only one that I have that's on camera. Anyway, I've slipped several times. Yeah, a couple of times carrying stuff. But anyway, this should keep it under better control.